Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and I have no idea where Miss Callie went. No telling. Y'all, I've got a single swag box today. If you do not know what single swag is, it is a lifestyle box. You can get treats in there like snacks, you can get accessories in there, skincare, I think makeup, yeah, bath and beauty products, and all kinds of surprises. You never know what you're going to get in your box. So there's two different sizes of boxes. So there's a full size box, which is $39.99 a month. It's guaranteed to be a $200 value. You receive 7 to 8 full size products every month. If you do commit to 12 months and pay up front, you will save $80 or so. So that gives you an idea on that. Now, they also have the Petite, which is what I get. The Petite box is $24.99 a month, and you'll receive 4 to 5 full-size products, guaranteed to be a total of about $80. If you do subscribe to 12 months worth of the Petite box, you will save about $30. Of course, like I said, you're going to pay that up front. I do have it broke down below to how much you actually pay up front if you want to see how much it costs to be a full year. I also have a link below, so if you do want to try single swag, using my link will get you $15 off. So if you do use my link, thank you so very much. I really do appreciate it. It helps me keep bringing you videos. So now that I got all the mumbo jumbo out of the way, let's look at the box. So I love their hashtag, love yourself, very cute. Single swag, this is like Petite, like I said. Alright, sneaky peek. Whoa. I don't know why I'm surprised every time I do that. So here is, let's see, win your next box. You know, it tells you using the hashtag, it tells you about referring your friend, and on the other side, it tells you what's in the box. This box is retail value of $136. Now, I think they inflate those prices just a little bit personally on this box, but that's just my opinion. Just my humbly little opinion. I do still think it's worth the price that we pay. So, let me know in the comments what you think after you've watched the video. Do you think it's worth the price? Alright, you can't see, so we're just going to have to pull everything out. Ooh. Last month there wasn't a snack, and I was very disappointed because I wanted a snack. But this month, we do have snacks. So, let's look at this snack. These are Scrumptious Shortbread cookies, a $6 value. These rich, delectable shortcake cookies are too good to have just one. Enjoy. So, I'm not much of a shortbread cookie person. My buddy who just moved away was, though. Crispy shortbread with tangy lemon. Oh, my husband might like them. He loves anything with lemon. But very cool. $6 value. Let's see what this is. Molly Jacobs Dazzling Illuminator. $26 value. It says, give your skin a soft and natural looking glow. Can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own. Let's look at it. Apply illuminator directly after you apply foundation and before blush. This will give it a dazzling glow. For a subtle look, apply the illuminator below the foundation. Use on cheeks, bridge of nose, chin, upper lip, and forehead to create different effects. While applying, use sparingly as less is more. Gently blend the illuminator with your fingers, blending brushes or sponge. Apply a thin layer of foundation to reduce glow if necessary. I love a little glow. Y'all know I love a little highlight and glow. So here is what the bottle looks like. Very cute. Oh wow. It's pink. It's pink and shiny. Let's put it on my arm because I have a little glow on the other parts. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, yucky. Just to give you a little bit of a my goodness, comparison, that's what I was trying to say. Ooh, okay. Gold in that pink, for sure. Gold in that pink. What makes it sparkle? So was that a color? Or maybe Dazzling Illuminator? I don't know. It was very thin. Just so you know. But very fun. Very cool. It did leave a little bit of a pink tint, but more just that shine. Hope y'all can see it. Very cool. I like that. You can definitely see the gold left on my finger. That won't rub off. So it's gonna stay. Okay. What is this? This is falling apart. Gemma Simone, this is the jewelry. Okay, normally some kind of jewelry. It's just coming apart. All right, so it's just a simple round necklace. This Gemma Simone Priestley 2 necklace layering set. Okay, so there's 2 necklaces in here. It's just got flipped around. Okay, yeah, that's cute. I see it. That's cute. 2 necklace layering set, $54. That's where I have a hard time believing this is worth $54. This striking set features 2 silver necklaces of varying size, a necklace with a solid coin charm, and a necklace inlay with bars. Pair the 2 necklaces as a set or wear each on its own. I do think they're really cute together. I like that. So what do y'all think? Let's see what this is. SOS, Save Our Skin. Oh, okay. Soothing face lotion with white tea and zinc. Lightweight moisturizing texture. Okay, SOS face soothing lotion, $18 value. Fortified with tea tree and zinc to combat shine. This silky white tea infused face lotion delivers a soothing burst of weightless hydration to your skin for a well-balanced complexion. It's specially formulated to replenish the moisture barrier and tone for a healthier looking appearance. Now, it says it's getting rid of shine. A lot of people still want the shine. They don't want to get rid of it. I mean, you know me, I love a lotion. It is sealed, but we're going to open it anyway. So I love to smell lotions. Just a white looking lotion. I was expecting a tea tree smell, but I smelled nothing. Nothing at all. It went on really nice. It feels really nice. It's a lot for a facial lotion. It's a good size bottle for a facial lotion. Suitable for daily use. And this last thing is a Chloe Emerald Emery soap dish set, fresh linen. Look at the packaging, isn't it cute? So I knew it was heavy. Emery soap dish set with a $32 value. Oh, look at this, y'all. Look how cute that is. Oh, just darling. Let me see the other one. $32 value. This is a luxury bar of soap. So it actually comes with the soap to put in the soap dish. That is just lovely. It says upgrade your bathroom decor with this delicate ceramic soap dish and accompanying luxury bar soap with fresh linen scent. Yeah, I can smell the fresh linen. Not exactly like your normal fresh linen, but make it, you know, I get it. It is a sticky kind of soap. But look at that. Can't you just see that sitting in your bathroom? It kind of covers up your prettiness though. I'd have to do. Alright, so what do we think? We got the soap and the dish, the jewelry, the face lotion, the cookies, and the illuminator for $24.99. Do you think that was worth $24.99? Personally, I think that dish, if you would have went and bought it somewhere, would have cost you $24.99. So, interesting. I want y'all's opinion. Let me know what you think. Do you think it's worth it? I have noticed in this one, in the Paradise Delivered, you do see duplicates, the same products, but not always the same, you know. So what do y'all think of that? I was sent the Paradise Delivered one for review. I haven't subscribed to more of it, but I do get this one, and they are the same CEO, runs both companies. They're pretty much in the same family of companies. So just tell me what you think below, and while you're down there, don't forget all those YouTube buttons. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. Subscribing is absolutely free, and it means the world to me. So thank you so very much in advance. And thank you if you've already been a tried and true subscriber. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to share with your friends. Let's let everybody know we're growing the channel and having a good time doing it. Thank you so very much if you do, and press that little notification bell so you know when I got new stuff going on. Thanks for spending time with me. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.